I think the real key for me, or the real inspiration for GoodShip, really came from the 3 years I spent building the contract pricing team at Convoy. Really opened my eyes to the pain points for shippers and their carrier partners as it relates to participating in RFPs and mini bids, as well as managing the relationship throughout the year between the bids. It takes 3 to 4 months for an enterprise shipper to run a network-wide RFP. That carriers don't get nearly enough information when they're bidding, so they're making a lot of assumptions around the prices that they're putting forward and whether they can even service the freight itself. And there wasn't a single source of truth in terms of performance.
The problem that we were trying to solve is visibility and insight. We have so much data that it was hard for us to understand and get clarity of what that data was trying to tell us, and the GoodShip platform really helped us do that.
Before GoodShip, we were facing just struggles with managing our data. And there's just an ocean of data when it comes to spend, service. We were piecing together dashboards with tape, and it was hard to communicate that through our supply chains.
We all collect all these data points, but what GoodShip does is bring everything together in one place so you can see the full picture.
As we went through the selection process, we ended up with GoodShip really because it drives a more holistic approach, but it also gives us a view that is ready to present and ready to share across the business. It saves us time, effort, but it also gives us the answers that we're looking for in a clear, concise manner.
Transportation teams have a lot of data, but they typically live in silos. GoodShip connects the silos together, enables you to utilize the data to effectively optimize your freight network.
GoodShip has brought us the ability to move faster with our decision-making, our communication to our carriers. The GoodShip team has been with us step in step and making sure that we have accurate data coming in and giving us exactly the output that we're looking for in different ways and different views.
Rather than having conversations around data validation, data quality, now we're having more conversations around how to execute and to capture those opportunities.
I think that's the biggest gain that we've gotten, is identifying service gaps early before they bubble up.
We recently introduced Lainey, our AI transportation analyst. Lainey supercharges what GoodShip can do for you. It gives you a super intelligent assistant that can help you do deep research to learn more about what's happening in your network.
I've actually tasked someone on our team with trying to break Lainey, and he has not been successful so far.
You put in a question, it gives you the output, and really you get the answer, but you get it in a way that is really presentation ready.
Using Lainey, we can ask more complex questions about how to improve upon our network.
Our GoodShip team has been incredible.
They understand how brokers work, they understand how shippers work, and they're very data-driven.
Instead of regurgitating the transportation buzzwords, they're listening and trying to make our jobs easier.
The 3 words that I would use to describe the GoodShip platform are data-rich, flexible, and insightful.
Actionable, user-focused, and innovative.
Collaborative, transparent, and adaptive.
If you want to learn more about GoodShip and all the cool product enhancements and Lainey and all the other things that we've recently launched, go to goodship.io, request a demo, and we'll be happy to spend time with you and show you a demo firsthand.